Top of the morning, you party people. All right, so I got another hot video. I told you guys, man, this is crazy, bro. This is crazy. So I'm at 163, as you can see, and I started this account with 150 on Monday. So we started at 150. I'm currently down like 200 bucks on this gold trade that did a pullback, and I'll show you guys that. I used the mini boys, little boys. So let me take this off so y'all don't have to get distracted. So I did mini boys because again, gold is volatile, and so I was up like 200 something dollars in profit, but now I'm only down 219. But again, I'm at 163,000 on this prop firm. And then on my TradeAvid account, on my other two, one of them is at I'm up 154, so that means I'm up 4,000 and something on one and whatever on the other. So, you know, it's cool. It's all good. Nobody care. Ain't nobody tripping. See, it's starting to come down already, right in front of y'all's face. See, I ain't tripping. So, you know, I got my target set. It's doing a pullback. You see how it's dropping down now? See, don't worry about all that, bro. Don't worry about all that. But let me show you the good stuff. So here's what took place today. You know, simple. Me personally, my bias was actually thinking that it possibly could go to the downside. But, you know, the market is rejoicing because of the relief in the tariffs, I believe, is going on. And so, you know, hey, took the trade. That was a winner. That was a winner. And that was a winner also. Golly, I should have put some runners on these bad boys. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, wow. But I'll get them back in the agent session tonight. You know what I mean? We got another session tonight. I'm going to be trading another session tonight. By the way, I'm going ahead and launch. I was going to start on the 1st, but why don't we go ahead and just rock and roll with the agent session starting on next week. Next Wednesday. Okay, starting next Wednesday, we'll have our first session. Okay, and I'll put a link on there on the website next week. Right before on Tuesday, you'll be able to sign up because I have a link on the website if you want to sign up for the Asian session. It's a separate service, nominal cost like usual, just to make sure you know you get paid for our time. But I just really want you guys to get this money, man. This is crazy money that's coming in. So in a matter of 2 or 3 days, I'm already up. Look, see, told you, see. I was down 200. See, it's dropping back down. So anyway, I'm already up 13,000 because this was a 150K funded prop firm account that I started 3 days ago, something like that. Well, whatever, 4 days ago. It doesn't matter. This week, so far in 3 or 4 days, I'm up 13,157 bucks right now as we speak. On this account. On my other accounts up here on TradeAvid, which I won't show those because it shows my account number, but on another one I'm up another $4,000 or $5,000, and then I got the one that I showed you guys yesterday where I got funded. On that one yesterday I'm up like 1,000 or something like. I don't even know. I didn't even check it, but I'm up on that one as well. So combined together, 13,000 here, another 5,000 over there. 4,000 over there, so 13. That's 17,000 plus another 1,000 on the other one. That's $18,000 in less than a week. $18,000, 18 grand. See how I was up down 200, and now look. See, that's why I told you I ain't tripping. Don't matter. It just did a little pullback. So again, guys, hey, $18,000 in less than a week. You know what I mean? Hey. I'll take it. I will take it. So again, the link is at the top. If you want to be copied on our Forex trades, super easy copycat. But if you want to be part of the live trade sessions with us in the futures market, futrix.com. All right, peace and hair grease. I'm out of here, y'all. Thank you for entertaining yourselves and entertaining me and watching my videos. Woohoo! Hold on, let me do it again. Woo! One more time. And I'm pissed because actually I should have put some runners on. Because look at this. Oh my God. I probably would have been up 20 grand. Oh my God. That's crazy, bro. Oh my goodness. I'm actually not happy. I'm happy but not happy because I left a lot of money on the table. But here's the point. Let me stop that. You don't want to be greedy. Get in, get out, get your money. You know, if it kept on going, cool. If it stopped and turned around, you would have been pissed. So, you know, praise God, we had another good day. I don't think I had a losing day yet. No, I don't think I had a losing day yet. From the challenges all the way to funding, I haven't had a losing day yet. Because even if I lose early, then later on the market corrects itself and goes the other way, and you make it back. And then I have the Asian session where I trade, so then I make money on that. No, I don't think I had a losing day yet. I think I'm full greens since I've been trading. So either way it goes, you know, that's not to say it's not going to happen, but I'm just saying it's just, man, hey, I don't know what to tell y'all people. I love it. And by the way, I was done with my trading. I was already done a long time ago. So I was on the 2-minute time frame. Let me show y'all this real quick, and then I'm gonna end this video. So let me show y'all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, because I closed out a little bit early. 14, it was stalling, so I just closed out 14. 14 times 2 is what? 28. So in less than 30 minutes, I was done. Okay, less than 30 minutes. And again, I got this little runner and let it do what it do. If it hits my stop, it's cool. I ain't tripping. It's a mini boy anyway. See what I'm saying? Just a mini boy. So I might lose, if it hits my stop, I might lose like 250 or something like that. But in the grand scheme of things, who cares? You know, not that big of a deal. All right. See y'all in the next one. Or I'll see you in Futrix. I'll see you guys live in Futrix.